In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner to add an audio file that's already created and stored on your Samsung. Tap on plus icon, select Files section over here, and now look for your audio file. In order to find it, access one of those apps or click on Audio at the top. But here's what most people don't know: if you still can't find your file, you can always tap on those three lines at the top left corner and access all of those sources to look for it. When you find it, tap on it to add it. If you want to create and add your audio file, click on this icon at the bottom right corner instead. Create it, and when you finished, hit attach at the bottom right corner. Now to add a video file, click on this icon of a camera and the photo also at the bottom right corner and find your video here. Tap on it to attach it. Then hit done at the bottom right corner. If you can't find it here though, scroll all the way down and tap on folders at the bottom left corner to look for your video here. When you find it, first click on it and then tap on done at the bottom right corner twice. 1, 2. If you want to create your video and add it, click on the same icon. Switch from photo to video here. Use all of those camera options and start recording. When you stop, your video will be automatically attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!